welcome to KD ArtBox. Today we're going to learn about sunlight, shadows, and a form of art called cyanotype. Also known as sun prints, you can use everyday objects and the light of the sun to create these prints. So here's what you will need. First, I've gathered some interesting objects like plants, a cable, a key. The important thing to keep in mind is that the image will be made by the shadow of whatever the object is. So this was this leaf right here, and this was here. But you kind of want something flat that touches all the way. So we're gonna experiment today using a key and a cord and some other plant things. So you can use anything you want, really. You're going to need also your cyanotype paper. It's really important that it stays inside of this envelope, inside of its little black thing, because it can develop if it's exposed to the light. So now I'm going to choose the objects that I want to use for this time. So your paper is it's 4x6, it's about the same size as this page, so we can kind of think about how we would want to lay things out. Maybe I do this one again, just kind of on the corner, something like that. It's a little combination of nature and humans. So I've got it kind of ready. And I'm ready to take the paper out. Remember, we're inside doing this in the dark. And we're going to place our objects on the blue side. And it's totally up to you how you want them to be laid out. Let's do something like this. Do some more of these guys in here. Okay, I might actually cut this off just so it fits in my construction paper. And now we're gonna put it inside of here to carry it outside. You can keep arranging until you get it how you want. Let's see, something like that. I'm gonna try. Okay, now we're going to close it and take it outside. All right, and we open it. And we're going to wait 5 to 10 minutes and come back. So I've gotten my print. Taking the objects off. Oh, look, very cool. So now we're going to rinse it in water for about 5 minutes to wash away the photoreactive chemicals. And we'll come back. Cool, so now we have waited for about 5 minutes. We've rinsed the liquids off, and now we're going to let our print dry. kind of can dab it off a little bit. So allow it to completely dry, and then we'll move on to the next step. So I have a print that is completely dry. Notice how the paper has darkened. It will keep darkening over a few hours. Once it's dark like this and totally dry, I'm gonna stick it back in this paper just to flatten it. You can stick it back in your envelope if you want, or into a book where it can stay for a few days and be ready to hang on your wall as art.